All right, today's session is yarn playing with our youngest cat, Luna. Luna, what you got here? It appears as though you have some
String.
some pink yarn. What you gonna do with it? All right, let's see. All right, what do we got? All right, guys. That's it? That's all you got?
Well, she knows your picture photo. She's so photographic.
Yeah, she's just trying to be photographic.
Should I get other cat to chase other? I will be back.
No, leave. This is fine.
Really, Luna? That's just not a good look for you.
What? Now you won't let.
This is hers. This is my yarn.
It is hers. Oh,
Yeah, you cannot have. It's here.
There we go. Oh.
you're tied up. What you gonna do? That you already got that one. You gotta get the other ones. See, they're everywhere.
Will she chase it around if you drag her in the carpet?
Yes.
Yes.
Will.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Where you going?
Where you?
Where you going? Huh? You losing it.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, it's going. Don't let it go. She's gonna lose it. There it goes. Oh, you better go get that yarn.
Now just.
Are you not trying to?
She take it with her.
She's like, I see you guys video, man. I'm not trying to be your amusement. The red light is much better.
Yes.
Clearly,
She was running
she's
around.
addicted to the red light. You want to get the red light? See what she does. See if she chases with the yarn around her. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There she goes. Bring her back this way.
Okay.
It's a good thing you're cute.
Actually, let me go get the red light.
You gonna get the big one?
Yes.
Okay. Uh-oh. The red light is coming. Oh, the Bill's getting the red light. You in for a treat now. That's like your favorite. Uh-oh. Oh. Wait, let's see. There it is.
Right here.
Should I close the, let me close the sheet a little bit
Yes.
so it'll be nice and bright. Give us a second. Uh-oh, now I think we can see it. Uh-oh, there it is. I'm gonna have a hard time filming this. We're going back and forth. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is definitely her favorite.
Already tired?
She loves. She's addicted to the red light. Luna.
This is all you got? Not running around the house like a maniac?
You know, she just thinks she's being cool, and then when it goes by her, she's gonna run after it. Like she's waiting for she's a predator waiting for her prey to come by. Trying to keep up with her. Run her all the way down and back again. She needs some exercise anyway. Get it, Luna. All right, all right, so between the yarn and the red light,
I think she likes
definitely,
the red light more.
definitely the red light wins. Definitely.
Yeah, but when I had it, she was running around, following me everywhere.
Definitely the red light wins. What do you think, yarn or red light? All right. Until then, peace out, y'all. Talk to you later.